So hi everyone, in this case I'm going to make a tutorial about the six orthogonal views and the isometric view as well. So we have, I just opened a piece in the part. I'm not going to do anything here, just going to open it and then I go to file and then new. I'm gonna choose drawing. Where is it? Here. Then I need to select the location of the of my format. I select this and then I press OK. I wait for it. Then I need to put ones here, or I think it is not necessary. But once I have the format here, I go to this, that is view palette. So I need to choose the fork. I need to choose the piece here. The views are going to appear here. So the first that I need to choose is the front one. I put this, and then automatically the other ones start appearing here, here, and here. And I'm missing the one that is here. Is the back one, but it doesn't appear. So I need to insert it manually. It is gonna be here, manually with my hand. So it is already here, and I'm missing the isometric one. So I press here, and then I choose the isometric one, and it is gonna be here. It's okay. So after this, I need to look for the scale to see the scale. What is the scale? Oh, come on. I select a piece, and then I look for the scale, and it is, in this case, the scale is 1 to 5. Okay, so I give I can do it by two ways. I can use the right click and then edit sheet format. Then here the scale, double click. Then I don't remember the scale. It was 1 to 5 or 5 to 1. 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5. It's okay. So escape the button, escape, and then the name in the those things. For example, the name. You're going to change the name. It is gonna be Luis Acosta. Let's say it, and then escape, and then well, the name of the, you change as well the name of the of the fucking part. It's okay, Ferg. Then once here, we need to choose this option. There's gonna be save sheet format. It is useful because you're not going to be editing the format every time you do a new part. You're just going to put your name this time. So you save this. Let's put a name. Plantilla Luis. It is gonna be at the desktop. Once here, I save it, and then I get out of the sketch, or I get out of the format. It is missing these ones. I don't know how it is in your software, but it is model items. So I click this, and then you select this entire model, and then you select one piece, but it is gonna appear a lot of dimensions in just one view. For example, we have a lot of here, but we don't have a lot of here. So the thing that you're going to do is make this selection to the left, not to the right, to the left. This is another selection. This is green and this is blue. You're not going to use the blue one. You're going to use the green one. So you select a little, a few of them, and you delete them. Chingue su madre. You delete them. Delete them. Delete. You eliminate them. You erase them. Then you press this button, and then you click on this other one, and then the ones that you deleted are going to appear here. What else? So that's it. When you already have all of the dimensions in your sketch, you can exit. No, don't forget. Press this in OK, because if you get outside without this, the dimensions are not going to save. So first of all, save. It is going to save as a plantilla, as a drawing. You choose the folder or the location you're going to save it. Save, okay, and you're going to save it again because the teacher wants the PDF format. So PDF, yeah, and then at the same location. Well, it depends on you, and then save again, and that's it. You already have it here in the desktop. You have here the drawing and the PDF. It's because if you have to change something, you're not going to need to repeat all of the steps. You're just going to need to open this and then make that change, and then save it as a PDF format. So that's important for you to have this part and have this other one, not just the PDF format. And that's it, motherfucker. That's it. La Colmenón Lilencha mandó una perrona de Vicente Guerrero, Sinaloa, pues.